can see it has been getting to almost 2.5 to 3 weeks for these plants since I planted them. I planted them in May 14th and 16th. So you can see them, they are growing so nicely. And there is few things that we are going to do. So yesterday I gave them water. I have these cages that I'm going to put around the plant to help them so they can all stay in one place. See the tomatoes? They are all growing neatly. Look at them. That one is even making flowers already. And look at our peppers. They are also growing neatly. They are making flowers. You can see that. They are growing so quickly. That is very nice. They've given nice water there. And here is our collard greens. We can see a little bit of one coming out. I don't know what happened to the rest, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. We can always grow more. They grow so quickly, but that little one is coming up. And then this is our onion. That is also growing so neatly. And this is the second onion. It's growing down there. I don't know what is making some holes in here, but I'm gonna fill that out. And this is the yam. I still don't see anything coming out from it yet, so we are going to keep an eye on it. This is my kale, extra triple kale parsley, and this is making amazing. Look at that. They bloom so nicely. I even plug about 2 or 3 of them to make soup out of it. Look at the second one. Look at that, how blooming nicely green they look. And this is our herbs, Italian large basil. I've been using it for soup and stew already. That is amazing. See how they are doing greatly. And this is the other one. I've used this also. So once they are getting bigger, I just plug them, use them right away, and then more grows up. And this is our hot pepper. There was something that I've noticed, that something has been plucking the leaves. I don't know what it is. You can see these here. So I don't know, and I'm going to keep an eye on it. But apart from that, it looks like it's going to do well. The leaves are bigger than normal pepper leaves. So you're going to keep an eye on this to see how it does. And here is our corn. Look at that. That is lovely. I really love how it's coming out. Looks like it's going to do well. So we're going to keep an eye on that. And then this is our okra. That is also coming out. I planted 2 seeds. And you can see they are doing well. We'll keep an eye on it and see how they do. Yesterday I gave them water, so you can see it's all wet and moist. You need to keep giving them water. Not too much, but make sure they are not dried out. So that is the overview. So I would say this is week 2.5 since I planted all these vegetables and herbs, and they are growing lovely. I love them. I take a look at them every morning and I enjoy them. It's amazing what you put in soil and how they grow quickly and become bigger. This is amazing. This plant is getting huge and huge, growing bigger and bigger. So we're gonna keep an eye on those. Look at the back one too, it's growing bigger. This one Look at that. So now I'm going to make sure that I put the cages around them, the tomato cages. That helps them to stay in place, and then when they started producing the tomatoes, it's going to be heavy on them, so you don't want your plant to break or to fall. So we are going to do those, and once I'm doing them, and I'm going to make the video so you can see how you can put cages around your plant in a pot. It's easy to do. You don't have to do only that in a ground. You can do them in your pot plant as well, or your container plant as well. So that's the overview so far of our plant, and it's lovely. It's always good to take care of your plants. You know, make sure they get water just as you would drink water every day. Give them water, and don't give them too much to kill them, but just to keep them growing and coming out nicely so they can produce nice fruits for us. So I think that's it. And I mean, you want to join this family? After you put the cages around your vegetables and herbs, this is how it looks like. It keeps your garden really neat. It gives support to your vegetables and herbs, so when they are growing and getting heavier and everywhere, you have a support for them. It also helps you give water easily. It doesn't stay in your way. It actually helps you rather to keep all your vegetables, everything in place, and helps also when it's windy. It protects the plant. So this is what I do, and I will show you in the next video how to put all these cages. And my next question for you is, what have you planted this year? Or are you planning to start next year as a beginner, since the season is almost over in zone 6A? Let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to Gardeningvava. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video where I show you how to put your cages around your plants